Hi, my name is Mark Kroll. I'm the product manager for Montana Fifth Wheels, and we're going to show you the final design for the booth dinette in our new Montana front kitchen. We completely redesigned the Montana front kitchen for the 2020 model year. We've added several huge changes. First one being we raised the back end for extra storage on the outside. We've added the second awning. We've added opposing slide outs in the kitchen, but probably my favorite change is the new booth dinette. Compared to the booth dinette in the 3820 front kitchen, which we retired during the 2019 model year, we've added a lot of function to the 3740 and the 3741 front kitchen. First of all, there is storage underneath the booth dinette. Second of all, the booth does convert into a bed, so you can either use this as sleeping space or just convert it into a really cool day lounge that you can look out the front windshield in. And then on top of that, this pedestal mount that we have underneath here makes it really easy to move the tabletop to make it easier to get in and out of the booth, or just to position the tabletop where you want it to be. So right underneath here, there's a little lever. I'm going to pull that, and now I have complete control over the table positioning. Okay, so if I want to slide in here, I can push the table over, get into the booth, and reposition it. If I want to lock it in a position, heck, even if I want to swivel it 45 degrees, I can do all that and then lock it in place with that lever, giving you a really good flexibility if you're going to use this as extra countertop space, if you're going to use this as a workspace, or if you're going to seat, 3 or 4 adults around the table. Now, one of our favorite innovations on this pedestal is how easily it pushes down to convert into a sleeping space or a day lounge. So again, I'm going to come underneath here. I'm going to loosen the tabletop, okay? Get that positioned here. There's a handle off to the side, and now with this really nice booth dinette, I can push my bed all the way down and lock it into place. And then behind here, we will find that we have a convenient storage space for the extra cushions. So these cushions come out, fill in the gap right here. And now we've got a full padded surface to either lay on, rest on. We could take all the cushions off, add some pillows on here, and create a really great extra sleeping space that's going to be basically the full width of the fifth wheel. Now, on top of all this, of course, we also have storage compartments under each side bench. We lift that up, and we've got that on struts. Same thing over here. So really improving your kitchen storage space with some extra storage compartments underneath here. Large enough for a large kitchen appliance like a crock pot or an Instant Pot, or maybe some extra pots and pans can be stored underneath here. And if you don't want to store the extra cushion underneath the rear bench, of course you can use that storage space for something else. Now, of course, when you're done, we take the cushion out of the way, flip up the rear storage, push that back in there. Away that goes. Now, what's great about this is you have to pull the lever to raise the table up. And that's kind of an important safety mechanism. We don't want the table popping up and hitting somebody unexpectedly. So this little handle right here will control all of the up and down movements on the table. And then, of course, we got the lever to lock it in place. And I can go ahead and reset my cushions. Thanks for taking a look at the new booth dinette in the Montana front kitchen. We do offer 2 versions of this floor plan: the 3740 front kitchen, which will have the 18 cubic foot Norcold RV gas electric refrigerator, the 3741 FK, which will have the 18 cubic foot Samsung electric refrigerator. Both of these floor plans will be hitting Montana dealer lots in May and June. For more information, please visit KeystoneRV.com for 360s, videos, floor plan prints, and other information that you need. Thanks.